An oversized lot with modern and sleek finishes. This is a home tour you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I am so excited to show you this home today. We are on a half an acre lot. We have a beautiful elevation on our exterior, modern LED strip lights, and pendant light fixtures, but there's so much more inside. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Living in Orlando channel. My name is Avery Green. I'm a trusted realtor here in Central Florida, and today we're going to tour a beautiful home. Again, we're touring a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,761 square feet on a half an acre lot. And guys, it's nearly a corner lot, not completely a corner lot, but the corner lot next to it has an oversized lot as well. I want to say that one is also a half an acre, so it doesn't feel so close together. It does have a fence on one side. All you have to do is finish fencing the other 3/4 of the lot, and that is it. This home boasts so many features such as quartz countertops, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and we're in the beautiful Ocala, Florida, here in Marion Oaks, guys. You know our proximity is everything here. Within the community itself, you have your Marion Oaks convenience stations. We have a Dollar General, we have a Family Dollar, we have a Dollar General Market, we have Aldi's that just opened up just a few short months ago, guys. And then you have your mom and pop boutiques, you have a laundromat, and you have an ice cream shop, all within the community. That will only be about a 5 to 7 minute drive. About 10 minutes away, you have Highway 75, which will take you north and south of Florida. Also, about 15 to 20 minutes away, you have Highway 200, which is going to give you all of your shopping, your dining, and your entertainment needs. You guys do not know, Ocala, Florida is considered the horse capital of the world. We hold the largest world equestrian center in the world, guys. If you love horse farms, if you love horse shows, the World Equestrian Center is just a short 25 to 30 minute drive for you. If you're doing some local flying, the Ocala International Airport is only a short drive of 20 minutes away, along with downtown Ocala. You have springs within a 30-minute drive. You have Rainbow Springs and Silver Springs, where you can do all of your water sports, your paddling, your kayaking. They have an amazing glass bottom boat ride in Silver Springs. You can swim in Rainbow Springs, but not Silver Springs. Guys, there's so much to do in this area. You have zip lining as well, just north of Ocala. Now, if you're looking to do some traveling, we are about 50 minutes from Gainesville if you want to check out a UF game, an hour and a half from Orlando and the Orlando International Airport and Disney World. If you're going to your beaches, whether it's on the East Coast or the West Coast, you're about 2 hours away. East Coast for Daytona and Cocoa Beach, and for your Clearwater and your St. Pete Beach, you're about 2 hours away. Guys, I'm so excited to get into all the features and upgrades here in this home. I think this home is perfect for anyone looking to downsize, who maybe they want a little bit more of a rural lifestyle with some space. This is perfect. Or maybe you're looking to go from your first home to your next home, and this could be the perfect house for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're starting out here on the exterior of the home, guys, and I wanted to start out here because I wanted to show you this driveway and the slope of the home. It slopes up and not down, right? So we love when things slope down, because the rain, because we know we get rain here in Florida, is going to slope away from the house and not towards it. So as you guys can see, this driveway is super elongated. It is a long driveway. You can easily fit 6 to 8 cars on the exterior, and then an additional 2 cars in the garage. And I also wanted to show you guys these LED strips. They actually have a really nice view in the evening time, and you have 4 of them out here with that elevation on the home. So you also have a beautiful pendant light out here with a nice covered front porch. So you get a covered front porch and a back lanai. And then you just have grand, beautiful windows in this house as well. This house actually lets in a lot of natural light, let's get into it. So walking in, we're immediately greeted to an open floor plan concept home. To our left, we'll have our kitchen and our dining room, and then to the right, we will have the living room. So we're going to start here. This is nice if you want that open floor plan style house. This is perfect, right? So right here is where we would have living room. Our projector could go on this back wall, and the blessing of having natural light in a home is that you have natural light. But when you want to watch a movie, I know that could be a little challenging. So some blackout curtains on the blinds and on the windows would set you up for a nice theater in your living room, right? But there's more than enough room for an oversized sectional. I know we like our L-shaped or maybe like a U-shaped sectional where you can kind of lay out on both sides. That'll definitely fit in here easily. And we're just going to pan around here. Oh, before we pan around, I want to come back here. I know this isn't technically like a breakfast nook, but when I look at it, I kind of consider it like a breakfast nook. You know, you can do like a little bench with a table right there next to the window and, you know, eat you a nice breakfast, you and a loved one, or just, you know, you and yourself, a nice breakfast there. All right, so we have our kitchen. We're going to come right into our kitchen, which you guys know I believe is the heart of the home. This is where memories are made and shared. So here we have it. We have a quartz countertop with that shimmer, and we have a waterfall edge finish on one side. Stainless steel appliances. I believe these are General Electric. I like General Electric. So GE. GE appliances. All right, and we do have soft close on the hinges with the matte black finishes. I'm gonna come in here and get some lights on for you guys. There we go. Ooh, it seemed a little dark. And even without these lights, it was a little dark, but still nicely well lit. Let's look at some of these cabinets. Alright, so the cabinets are pretty deep. These look to be about 36 to 40 inches on the cabinets. There's those. Got some cabinets over the fridge and cabinetry over the microwave with additional storage here. You have your extended faucet. I love when they do the black wire or just the wire ones in general with a garbage disposal. And our dining room and our pantry. So dining room overlooks the window here. You know what you don't see a lot anymore of in homes are the bay windows. I just love bay windows in homes. They don't do them anymore as much. I think more in custom homes, but bay windows they do something to me. I don't know. Just makes me want to live on a farm. All right, and our pantry. Come out here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tripod does not come. 4 racks here. You can possibly put one more at the top, but there's definitely enough storage because it continues to go up here. Continues to go up, but that is definitely a good amount of storage. Now this is a split floor plan home, so to the right we have master and laundry and the garage, but we're gonna go left and we're gonna check out these bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Room dimensions will be in the description box below, but you will always see it here as well. So this one is on the smaller end. I want to say they're all roughly around the same size, but I would say you can fit a queen in here. It might be a little tight. I mean, depending on how you arrange it, I would just do a queen and maybe, a nightstand. But if you want to do a full size bed, you can definitely do a full size bed. without a problem, or even twins, like 2 twins would fit nicely in here, or even maybe 2 bunk beds would fit nicely in here as well. Yeah, I would say 2 bunk beds, maybe like along the walls here, maybe something in the middle, or a full bed would go nicely in here as well. All right, bedroom number 2. Again, bedrooms roughly around the same size, windows with the window sills, which we love that because you know what? It's less money that we have to put into the home. Definitely things that you got to consider when you move into a home if the builder does not put it in there. Cabinet pulls is something that you want to take into consideration. The racks for the closet. Sometimes builders do not install those, but I mean, you know, sometimes people come in and they take those things out anyways. So coming into the bathroom, we have our single vanity with our frame mirror and small light. And then shower, which is tiled from the top to the bottom. It looks like a ceramic tile. Deep tub with our matte black finishes. It's a pretty good spacious bathroom with a lot of storage. Then we have a storage closet here. You guys let me know what you think about this closet. I would have preferred multiple racks in here because it's supposed to be a storage closet and this just feels like a regular like cloak closet or something. But you guys let me know what you think. All right, bedroom number 3. Okay, again, like all of these bedrooms are roughly the same size. This one does have a larger window because it's facing the front of the home. Single recessed light in all the rooms. Just gonna give you multiple views just so that you get an idea. Right, so again, we want to closets all the same. So pretty spacious on the height in the closet. I would say the width is pretty standard, but the closets don't go far deep inside. So that is the master. But before we go into there, we're going to go check out this laundry room and our garage because garages are important. All right, so we have washer and dryer hookup with our shelving racks. But what do? We go to IKEA and we get some built-in cabinets. We get some floating shelves. We make this our own. And you can do the same thing with your garage too. It doesn't seem very spacious. You know, you can definitely utilize the wall. They have racks that you can hang up at the top. You will have a garage door opener, hot water heater out here. And the beautiful thing about the hot water heater and the AC being outside is that when they go out, they usually tend to start leaking, and that won't cause any damage to the interior of the home, right? You address it early. All you got to do is, you know, minimal damage, fix it out here, and it's less stress-free. All right. And before we check out this beautiful outside backyard, we're gonna go into the master bedroom. So very grand in here. Easily fit a king. You could easily fit a king in here. I would say bed either faces this way or that, or comes from this direction because plug goes here. But they have a ton of outlets in this room, so you can kind of make it however you want it to be. But it's pretty spacious. It seems really long. It does seem like a very long master bedroom. Nice open window and a good amount of storage. So we have double vanity with our frames. So everything matches the guest bathroom. The only thing is they put up the glass, but they didn't frame it. So if you wanted to frame it, you could, finish that off. And then nice built-in storage. I'll give you a view of this just so that you can see. Pretty deep. So you have storage under the cabinets, and then you also have storage here. Here's the cabinet door, I promise. And a massive walk-in closet. And they do have screens for you all, which screens are important. Oh, don't want that to fall. Screens are important, right? Now, let's go outside. I will not be out here long because there is a wasp nest. Let me just give you guys a quick bada boom, bada bang. Outside. So as of right now, you have no rear neighbors. That could be your lot, right? That could be your lot. Then you just have an extended lot. So let me just give you guys another pan. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We hope you enjoyed touring it as much as we love showing and touring them with you. Let's recap what we saw. We saw a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,791 square foot home on a half of an acre. This home had so many upgraded features, matte black finishes on the door knobs and the cabinet pulls and the faucets throughout the home. You have beautiful pendant light, LED strips on the exterior and pendant lights on the exterior and interior of the home. You have a beautiful covered front porch and back lanai, guys. So you get all of this for just the low price of $339,000, guys. That is a half an acre, 1,700 square foot home for under $350,000, guys. That is a great deal in today's market. And guys, we are seeing closing costs, rate buy downs, so many buyer incentives being offered right now in today's market. So you don't want to hesitate on making a move. If you guys found value in this home tour, go ahead and give us a thumbs up by hitting that like button. If you know someone that would benefit from this home tour, this video, please go ahead and share it with them. If you guys have stayed this long in the video, I really do think that we should be friends. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you never miss one of our videos. And guys, if you yourself are looking to buy, sell, invest in the Central Florida market, we would love to be honored to go ahead and help you out. Book a 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour call with us so that we can chat about your real estate goals, because whether you're looking to move in 10 days or 100 days, we'd love to get you started on your journey to living here in Orlando with us. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.